Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to quickly unbox and review this TP-Link Bluetooth adapter for PC. Coming up. Hi everyone, I'm Harshvardhan, and in this video I'm going to quickly unbox and just review this TP-Link Bluetooth adapter for PC. And I spend most of time doing the video editing and the photo editing, and while doing the photo editing or the video editing or any kind of a creative work, it's very important that you stay focused on your work. And for that purpose, I bought this JBL Bluetooth headset. This is a wireless Bluetooth headset and I want to use it for my PC. But the problem with my PC was that it was not having any Bluetooth device. So what I did, I just bought this TP-Link Bluetooth adapter. So with the help of this one, I can connect my headphone to my PC and I can keep my creative work and I can focus on my work. So let's quickly unbox it and I'll review it in the end. So this is the package which I have received from Amazon. So I ordered this Bluetooth adapter for PC from Amazon. So let's open this and let's find what's inside it. So this is the TP-Link Bluetooth 4.0 and USB 400 UB400, and this is Bluetooth 4.0. You can see right now over here it works with Windows 8, 8.1 and 10. This is just plug and play, and this is of nano size. And on this side you can see it has shown that you can connect your printer, your game controller, your headphone, speaker, keyboard, mouse, tablet or phone. So you can connect any device with the help of this one, and it comes with 1 year warranty. And this is the branding of TP-Link and packaging is very good. So let's open this box, and this is the beautiful package you can see. Let's open it. This is Bluetooth adapter 4.0. So inside it you will find this user manual. So this is of use if you want to learn how to use it. And this is our nano adapter or Bluetooth adapter. So let's open it. So you can see this is very beautiful and very small in size. And over here you can see the TP-Link branding and Bluetooth is written on the other side. So now let's connect it to the PC and let's see how it works. So we'll put this inside our USB jack, and thereafter you will see this Bluetooth logo or icon over here. Just click on this. So let's click on this and select show Bluetooth devices or add a Bluetooth device. So we'll click on the show Bluetooth devices and it's going to show you this screen. Click on the add Bluetooth or other device, and over here select the Bluetooth, the first option, and it's going to show all the Bluetooth devices available. Let's find our JBL. Alright, so JBL, this headphone, wireless headphone is selected. This is the JBL headphone, you can see. So you have to click on the connecting, click on to connect, and now it is connected. You can see connected voice or music, and disconnect option, that means it is now connected. So we'll press done and let's play some music. So before that let me put this on. So let me put this on and open Amazon Music app and select the headphone from here, and I can hear amazing sound. So as you have seen that this Bluetooth headset is very amazing. It's very small in size and it just works like a plug and play. You don't have to install any drivers in this, and it easily connects to your headset or any speaker or any other device. It's just amazing. and there is no connection issue. And while I was listening to the music or the sound, or while doing the video editing, I was not having any disconnection issue. So in my opinion, at this price, this is very good because this is a branded one and you get 1 year warranty with this device. So you don't have to worry about the quality as well. So if you are interested in buying this, then link of this is in the description section below. Check out its latest price. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.